What's going on, guys? Hope all is well. It's Friday night. I'm going to a no heat call. I believe it's a furnace. I don't know yet till I get there. I'm just looking at the history and the notes. Yeah, so that's it. It's Friday night, 4 o'clock. But let's see what it is when we get there. Let me run to my truck and grab a tool bag. Sounds terrible. I don't know if that's coming through on the camera or the phone, but it's probably going to be an HSI. Yep, or gas valve, hopefully not. I could hear the gas coming out. Probably, let me ohm out this gas valve, this HSI right here. It's about 3 ohms, 2 to 3 ohms, and you can see the crack right there on the HSI. Let me just do a double check with a lighter and then see if I have the HSI. I should have it. '97. Do not try at home. HSI and then see if I have the one to match it. I think that'll match it. We'll find out. So this is a 2020 AC. That's cool. And then they have 1997 furnace. But I think if I can get it going, this is going to need to be replaced. It sounds terrible. I'll check Amdro, but it sounds bad. It's going to have to be replaced. Let's see.
To deal with some other gang violence or something, and why would they stop a traffic, story, but they're also charging them with kidnapping.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great weekend. It's Friday night, 5:30. Thank you very much. Take care.